Hello everyone. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, hit the button subscribe and don't miss further lessons. Actually, I've been doing lessons about modal verbs. And in this lesson, I'm going to talk about modal verb must. Modal verbs are used with another verbs in order to describe some ideas or to express some ideas. And mostly ability, possibility, permission, to make offer, to make request, obligation, certainty, and etc. But when it comes to modal verb must is used to talk about obligation, and certainty. Must is used to talk about obligation and certainty. The form is modal verb must plus bare infinitive. Must, bare infinitive. So verb in the base form. The first 4 sentences are talking about obligation. Let's take a look at the sentences. You must follow the rules. You must follow the rules. Must follow. Must follow. You must follow the rules. You must work hard. Again, we can see the obligation. You must work hard. You must work hard. Must plus work. Must plus bare infinitive, work. You must fasten your seat belt. You must fasten your seat belt. Must fasten. Fasten your seat belt. Must plus bare infinitive, fasten your seat belt. Fasten. You mustn't disturb me. You mustn't disturb me, or you must not disturb me. So, how do we make negative form? Actually, must plus not plus bare infinitive. You mustn't disturb me. You mustn't disturb me. Okay, let's take a look at the sentences about certainty. You must be starving. You must be starving. Must plus be. Must be. You must be starving. It must be boiling today, or it must be boiling outside, or it must be cold today because it's been snowing for 2 days. It must be boiling today. Must plus be. Must plus bare infinitive, be. You must be angry. You must be happy. You must be happy. You must be on cloud 9. You must be angry. Okay, let's wrap it up. Modal verbs are used with another verbs in order to describe some ideas or to express some ideas. And when it comes to modal verb must is used to talk about obligation and certainty. And the form is must plus bare infinitive. Must plus bare infinitive. Must plus bare infinitive. Or the negative form is mustn't or must not plus bare infinitive. Okay, that's it for today. I hope the lesson was useful. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.